So hi, I'm Iddo, the CEO and founder of Rapid API, visiting India for the first time for the GIDS summit. So far the experience has been great. I was really surprised by Bangalore and by the conference as well. First of all, the sheer number of attendees and delegates here. Getting to speak in front of a room full packed with people, but also with the amount of tech going on here and the level of the delegates in the conference. Yeah, so after the talk, I got to speak to some of the delegates about Rapid API, the platform that we're building, and they had a lot of suggestions around like API formats, GraphQL, and other formats that they've seen popping up. It was very clear that everyone here is very up to date with the standards and cares a lot about the technology and the development, which was really interesting for me. So great interactions. Yeah, so while I was here, I attended the conversation by the Plivo co-founder, which is also a company based out of Bangalore. And it was very interesting, to hear their story, not just as a startup, but also as a scale-up and growing beyond just, getting traction and finding product market fit, to actually creating a company and managing revenue and managing a larger team of developers. So I found that very interesting. I think compared to other conferences I've been to, this is definitely one of the larger conferences that I've attended. And at the same time, it's clear that there are a lot of big companies that have attended this conference and have sponsored it, and that the level of people who come here is very, very high, and it's very apparent.